only
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second video of WordPress tutorial series. In this video, I will show how to set up WordPress and install Elementor theme on the WordPress, which make more easy the web page development in WordPress. Make sure to follow the tutorial. Type your web page name and about here.